Alright, so welcome back. I will be posting them in YouTube, Jay. No worries, they are being recorded and everything right now, so no worries on that. So let's look at this box, like right here. Haskhell. I don't know. We'll see what it's all about, I guess. Won't we? Should be fun. Let's see what happens with it. Be a good time. Oh my god. I have other machines deployed like right now for stuff that's in here. Let's see here. This one deployed, like I have other stuff deployed. I don't know which ones are deployed. Maybe just exit out and come back in. Is this guy deployed? Oh my god. Let me figure out what's deployed first. This guy was called Haskhell, right? I wish it showed you which ones you actually had deployed. That'd be pretty cool. I was just working on, let's see, I did all those. I think I was working on this one right here, Linux Privesk. It's been a while though. Like I figured that would. Okay, there we go. We terminate that one. Just got a couple more doing there. Then we can go ahead and do this Haskhell stuff. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to be uploaded, Jay. It's gonna take a minute, but yeah, they're all getting uploaded. No worries. Alright, so let's go ahead and go back to Learn and Haskhell. Search for Hask. I don't know what this one's all about. Start machine. So should we refresh it as PhD? PhD isn't in security. Alright. Then start the machine like right here. Go ahead and make a directory for Haskhell. We'll see you in there. And then we'll go ahead and clear all this crap out. Let's go ahead and exit out of here. Yes. Get rid of all this. Exit out of here. Yes. That guy's still good. Save this like real quick. Desktop. Try hack me. Junior penetration tester, and then we'll deal with junior pen test room. Alright, cool. Exit out of there. Been taking notes on different stuff in there, things that I found interesting or I haven't seen before, things like that. So, alright, so this guy started up. Let's go ahead and see if he has actually started up or not. We'll go ahead and try pinging like real quick. Cannot ping yet. That's alright. Let's get everything prepared. Oh, there we go. We're pinging now. Nmap. All ports do not ping, even though we're pinging them like right now. Time to 4, very verbose, and no DNS lookup. I'm going to clear that out. And now we wait for this guy who seems to be going pretty slowly. Let's go ahead and run Rust again at it. Maybe maybe the ports are all like higher up. I got 22 5001 Nmap tac P 5001. See what version that is or what that is. Complex link, probably going to be something to do with a web server, so we try 5001 there. See if we get anything. We do. Okay, cool. During this semester we're going to learn the ins and outs of functional programming languages using Haskhell. Haskhell. Oh, I'm not saying hell. Whoopsie daisy. So Haskhell. Well, wait. The room's called Haskhell. Got me on that one. Why use functional language? Because everything is a function. Functions can take other functions as inputs and return them as output. Okay. This is known as higher order function. Through the semester we're going to learn about functors, applicatives, and monoids. There are also abstractions that allow us to work. Okay. For now we're just going to start. Boom, boom. You find your first homework here. Submit your homework here. Okay. So a function called grade that takes the number of input to output. Boom, boom. We can find more information about grade codes here. I'm not actually going to do the homework. Fibonacci sequence. Pretty sure this dude is listening to too much Tool. Click here. Goes to upload, and that is not found. So already, if I was in this class, would not be happy, but we know what to do about that. Let's go ahead and do a Python 3 dir search. Python 3 dir search. Let's see if there's anything else in here first. Like, you know, another uploads page. Whoa, that is not what I wanted. Some type of other uploads area, uploads page, something like that that we can actually use on port 5001 there. That's all we're getting for that Rust scan. We try the Rust scan one more time just to make sure. And it looks like, yeah, it's only 5001. That's probably what we're going to be looking at there. And then it said Haskhell, right? And we got /submit. Let's go ahead and search for it. Haskhell, like that. Okay, so that's not anything. Is Haskhell like an actual like real language, programming language? H-A-S-K-E-L-L. H-A-S-K-E-L-L. We have a /submit. Is that like where submit? Maybe it's not upload. Submit. Okay, so we have submit your assignment here. Browse and upload. So let's go ahead and copy over a PHP reverse shell, I guess. Pentest monkey PHP reverse shell. We'll go ahead and move PHP reverse shell to shell.php, and then we'll go ahead and nano that guy. That's shell.php, ifconfig. I don't know what we're doing with all this stuff. Ten, 13, 26, 24. You good? So.
Can you make 200 by just drawing one line?
Can I make 200 by just drawing one line?
Mm-hmm.
I can't draw 2 and just say plus? Okay, I know there is a way to be able to do this.
Smart.
No, I remember, no, because I've seen this before. Okay. See how smart I am first. Oh.
Ask those people, see if they can figure it out.
Got to make 200 by drawing just one line, and I've seen this before. And it's something that's just, it's something stupid too. It's not like, there's nothing with the numbers they actually do, right? Right? Or whatever it is, it's something like that where there's nothing actually with the numbers. And I remember it being something stupid. Do they have to,
other people watching?
I don't know. Can I just put a line like right there? Then they.
You can only do one line.
Yeah, just one like right there. And now they plus each other. It's just a really stupid looking plus sign. I mean, is that it or no? No. Okay. With one line. Wait, it's like when you say a line, does that count as a line?
You have to draw the line. You can have one line.
Yeah, but
you have to mark one line.
That's a line, like right there. So can I just write 200 on top of this one line?
No.
Why not?
Because you writing 200 is multiple.
But I'm saying that's a line, though.
Yes. It is
So I can't do that. Okay.
No.
I'll see if there's like a. I know there's some stupid trick to this. I don't remember it. I don't know. I don't remember it. You show me.
200.
That's not the trick I was thinking of. There's another one. She wrote TOO. This is what I have to deal with. Just so everyone knows.
Okay.
This is what every night is what I have to deal with. Alright, so we will put that, oh whoops, we'll put that IP address in there. And just so you guys know also when I'm doing my test, like, whoa, wait Audrey, I don't know why she's walking away. When I'm doing my test, right, I'll be doing like when I was doing like ECPPT, right, I'll get questions like that. In the middle of like, you know, middle of like buffer overflow. Hey, can you make this into whatever? It's better than the EJPT where Samuel was just slapping my keyboard up and down. Alright, so we made that shell, right? But she does take a lot, so whenever I get mad, it's all on her. So she's an awesome woman. Lets me just vent the whole time. Alright, so where are we going with... I'm saying you're an awesome woman, you let me just vent whenever I get super mad at those tests also. Yeah, and then you come out here, what? Alright, so there's Haskhell. That's shell.php, and I guess we're just going to go to upload. The connection was reset. Did that take too long? Let's try one more time. Maybe I can only be in there for so long. The connection was reset. I wonder if it's actually uploading, we just don't know it. I wonder why the connection was reset. That's really weird. Why? So did we actually upload it is the next question. Go back to 5001. Or is the thing just down? Like right now. Okay, no, it's not down. Find your homework here. Not really finding much else now, are we? We found that submit, right? From that submit, we were able to, I think, upload something. Well, we weren't able to upload anything really because nothing actually got uploaded. It just said connection timed out. Homework 1 doesn't work, right? But we did find a submit. Well, you know what else? I also don't have any type. Well, no, it doesn't really matter if I have a. Okay, you know what? This is probably a product right there, huh? This has been going on more and more and more lately. These VPNs failing. Let's go ahead and head back over into, what was it, submit? See if it still has a problem this time. Okay, so it did not have a problem that time. That time it uploaded. Where did it upload to? I think it just uploaded like shell PHP. No, okay. Where are you uploading to is my question now. Probably didn't upload anything. Okay, so now we just have to figure out where the heck this guy. Actually, well, we had uploads, right? So can we do /uploads/shell.php? Because uploads didn't work. Let me make sure my IP address has not changed. That has happened before. 10.13.26.184 and 10.13.26.184. That's what we're looking for. 10.13.26.184. Okay, port 4444444. Okay, that all looks good, like right there. So it was upload, right? It wasn't upload, correct? It was uploads. The server's overloaded, or there's an error in the application. Okay. Submit your homework here. Now it's starting to move pretty slow, it seems like. Not found. That was upload. Shell.php. Do I have to write this in Flask? Start streaming. I am streaming. What do you mean? Oh, okay. That was whatever. Alright, do I have to write this stuff? Do I have to write like a reverse shell in Flask? because that's what Haskhell would be, Flask, right? This is a real programming language. Haskell language lends itself. Let's handle the effects. Splash your compiler, geez. Okay. Reverse shell. Pass the hash browsers. Haskell reverse shell. What is this? Alright. Reverse shell, Haskell implemented error handling. Clients, that's obviously IP and everything else. Okay, so maybe we can do something like this, and maybe it'll run that. Hopefully. I mean, I don't know how the hell to run Hask, so that's really what the problem is like right now. I think we can stop this. I think we're good like where we're at like right now. So let's go ahead and try to go back to submit. Let me go ahead and nano hask dot what do you even hask.hs. Okay, and let's go ahead and throw in my IP address and port up here, right? Client, that should be me. I want you to call back to me, so I want you to call back to 10.13.26.184 and 4444. I'm wondering if this is even how you even do this one. Browse Hask upload. And I'm thinking upload or uploads hask.sh. That's what I'm thinking, because that one took a minute last time. This guy's taking a minute this time also. So that's not really helping us out very much now, is it? Haskhell try walkthrough, pass the hash browns, Haskhell and Unix shell scripting, Haskhell for shell scripting, Haskhell authors write up, pass the hash browns. What the heck? I think I'm getting somewhere. Something happened. Why did it close out? Something has happened. But why did you go away? Oh, it went there. Okay. Network socket connect. Socket 3 does not exist. Connection refused. Well, it should make it refused. I'm sitting right here. What are you talking about? Refused. Refused my butt. Upload. I didn't refuse it. Maybe you refused it. I didn't refuse it. Did it again. What's happening? Why is it doing that? Compiling. Home Flask uploads H. Has prelude head empty list. Home Flask upload. So, oh, what are this? How do we do? What can we do with this? What can we do with this? Cat Hask. See if we can try to figure out what the heck's going on over here first. Do client, boom, client host equals. I don't think we can make a call back. Well, I'm wondering if we can almost do like a remote file inclusion type of thing, like a local file inclusion type of thing, where we tell it to grab something. We tell it like, hey, I want to look at this. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're like, hey, like, show me something. You do like a Etsy shadow lookup Hask. String. Run Etsy IO. I want to send up a file with that. Integrity policies, cross flag reference, Haskhell, programming language uses. Like, is there like a Git file or anything like that? Like how to open a file? Open file with Haskhell? Files can be opened using a handle with boom boom. Open file Haskhell. Type file path equals string. Data handle equal handle standard. These functions are read file path IO string. What's this IO string crap? Anyone else understand what the hell's going on here? Because I can't even like. I wonder if that class, because that guy, he definitely had like a class or something, right? There is a, I mean, we're in a class in this thing, right? So I'm wondering if that class can show us anything. Because he has our book for the course is free and it's here. Is this like a real book? Learn you a Haskhell. Nope, that is not a real book. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. Make your own types of. Okay. Input output functionality. Hello world file streams. All right, let's try to do a hello world first. Put string length hello world. Now we're going to do something we've never done before. We're actually going to compile our program. I'm excited. Hello world.hs. I don't think I need to compile it. I think we just do like a put hello world. We can throw that into a .hs file, upload that, and then see if it spits back out hello world at me. Right? If anyone else just happens to know how to program with Hask, that would be freaking fantastic. Or call your cousin or whoever else. Nano hello world dot hs. Right? Let's go ahead and do that. Control X, yes, enter. Okay. Alright. See, okay? So let's go ahead and try to upload this and see if we actually see hello world spit back out to us, I guess. / submit, browse, hello world, upload, internal server error, please try again. That didn't work at all, did it? Upload. That doesn't work at all. Maybe we can't do it like that. Maybe we try like that. Okay, browse hello.hs. Hello world. So we got to echo back. Now what? Okay, we don't need to compile it. Name, get line, put string, hey, you rock. Okay. So now what we need to do is, I'm thinking, we need to be able to open, so we can read that. Reverse policy. Files is stream. So we go files. Import data here. Main equals forever do. Put string. Give me some input. Okay, I don't care about that. Okay. Data character. Caps locker. Contents. Get contents. Put string. I'm short. So am I. I'm online. I'm long. So I'm short. Okay. Grab this, like right here, and we'll do a nano shadow.hs, and let's see if we can do an etsy open file / etsy shadow. Can I do that? Can I just like do something like that? Maybe I should probably do etsy password first, make sure it actually works. Yeah, we'll do etsy password first. And we'll call it shadow.hs. We'll do etsy password first. That'll be okay. I think. I don't know. We're going to try it. We're going to see what happens. And we'll throw it in there and see what happens. Because so far it spit something back out to us. So I feel like it read that file in there and then spit it back out, right? So that means this thing should read this file and spit it back out. But, okay, it does. Everything I just said was a bunch of bull. So we have some people here now. So we have Professor, Flask, Haskhell. I think we can get like their bin bash, bin sh. I wonder if we can get like their SSH ID RSA keys. So we can try something like that. We can always try to get like ID RSA keys. We could try maybe just like getting user flags, like flag.txt, user.txt. I wonder if we can do like ls-LA. I wonder if we can just have like a callback. So far, HS did not let us do any type of callback, correct? But what if we can get like look in there like, so let's go ahead and do something like a let's see, we got those two guys so far, right? I'm just gonna keep messing with shadow actually. That's kind of weird, but whatever. So we're gonna go to /home /flask .ssh/ID_RSA. Okay, and that should be like wherever the RSA keys are at, if they have any. And then we'll try the other two from there, just to see what happens. Does not exist. Okay, so that file does not exist. Alright, that's okay. We also have prof. Alright, so let's go ahead and nano this guy. We'll do home p professor. Okay, let's go ahead and upload that again. Professor has ID RSA keys. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. Okay. I wonder if we can also make a reverse shell with this. I wonder if there's like a way to like make like a reverse shell. Nano ID RSA. Change mode 600 ID RSA. Then we'll do a SSH tech ID RSA. Professor PROF at 10.10.187.74. 10.10.187.74. Let's see if this works. Come on. Man, that feels good. Okay, ls tac LA. And let's go ahead and cat that user dot text flag academic dishonesty. We did a little bit of something there. We did something. Alright, obtain the root flag. Well, obviously. Okay, so now that we did that, let's go ahead and do a I can try to attack L. I mean, I don't know what his password is, but we can run username flask with no password as root with no password. So is there like an actual like GTF opens for Flask? I know what Flask is a thing. So we can run Flask. Isn't Flask a programming, or is Hask the programming that I've always heard of? I always thought it was called Flask. Okay, so we can run root no password username Flask. Run. CD into user bin. CD into Flask. Okay, // Okay, so Flask does work. This is Flask run. Sudo tac u root Flask run. Options. Runs a shell. Okay, so can we do like a sudo tac u root Flask or // run shell? Professor, I shouldn't need that because so I could run that without. Well, I could run. Anybody? So we got the professor. What is that? Something in my chair. Something sharp. Okay, so since we can run it. Root no password. You've been Flask. Maybe I should type in the whole thing like that. Data chain, right? Okay. Ah, man. Export Flask app equals hello.py. Example usage. Most super commands are run in shell command. Okay, the shell command actually is a utility script for Flask applications. Export Flask app is hello.py. Is that something we need to do? Like, is there just nothing for it to actually run with? Export Flask app home.py. If app is not a Python path, show the extensions.py. The file path provided home.py does not appear to exist. Please verify the path is correct. So what Python does exist? We do like a okay, this is not okay. Let's undo a cat scripts full shell like real quick, and we'll do it like that. Let's Python first, of course. Let's Python. Okay, cool. There we go. Let's go ahead and exit out of here. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to do that again. So we'll do a cat or a LSTech LA for grep for star.py. Anything.python. There's nothing in here. So what should we... Oh, hello. But Flask is in here, right? Flask is in here. There's Python stuff all in here everywhere. A, B, C, D, E, F. There we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Flask. Running is root. Can we make like a root.python and then we just say like for like a Python file, right? Could we just say like home.py has been bash? Or should we actually make like a Python file? Like import pty, like something like this, like right here. Right, that's what we could technically put in there, right? So we could technically just do a echo Control-Shift-V into home.py. Permission denied. /temp / home.py. What about something like that? Okay. So now can I tell Flask that it's over there? Like export, what was it, Flask? I don't know what the hell that was. So it's /Flask, right? I don't remember what the hell it was. Export Flask app. So we do like an export Flask app equals /temp / home.py. Oh, this is hello, whatever, home.py. And then can I do a sudo Flask run? I can't, okay, and I'm root. Where am I? Bam! Alright, cd to /root. /LA. And we'll go ahead and cat that root.txt. Could I have just looked at the SSH key the whole time? One second, I wonder if I could have just looked at the SSH key the whole time and I could just bypass all that. I wonder about like what kind of permissions I have whenever I am putting those things in and how that's running and everything. Thank you. Thank you very much. That was fun. That was good. Wow, that was a good one right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if I could have done that like real quick. So go ahead and we're gonna exit out here. Exit. Okay. Clear. Stack LA, or actually sublime that shadow.hs, right? Let's go ahead and make it so I'm going to home root. Oh, everything just froze. Oh, everything just really froze. Like froze. Like computer just froze. There we go. Okay, cool. There we go. So let's see if I can do something like this. /root. Okay, let's save that. And I want to see something. Browse shadow.hs. I wonder if I can even, if I'm allowed to look at that. Oh, file permission denied. Okay, thank God. See, because if I could have just done that the whole time, I would not have been happy. I wonder if we could have looked at professors. If we could have done something like /professor/ it would have been home professor, right? Or if we could have looked at something like that. Browse shadow.hs, upload. I have saved it. I'm pressing Control A. Let's went back to that. Oh yeah, we're looking for IDRSA. Or if we could have looked at professor like user.txt. Was it user.txt? I think it was the flag, right? Control S. Okay. We could have. Alright, cool. So we could have actually done that. From there, I feel like we can't do like a sudo tac out or something like that, but I wonder if we could use some type of reverse shell to get in here. You know? Like if we could just done like a bash reverse shell or a Python reverse shell or really anything like that and gotten in here. Like a bash reverse shell. Let's go ahead and let's try a bash reverse shell like real quick. Let's go ahead and cat scripts bash reverse shell. Let's go ahead and grab, I guess it's the top one. Yeah. My IP address. So let's go ahead and try this like real quick. Because last time we were just trying just for, we weren't really trying things like this. Now were we? Okay, then we'll do a sublime text for shell.hs. Alright, let's go ahead and put in that open file. And it's not really going to be an open file though, is it? How would I do a bash reverse shell? I wonder if that documentation actually shows me. There's all that. Boom, boom, boom. Command line arguments. This might help me out a little bit actually. Put straight in the arguments right here. Refile file name. Let's do a, since we already figured it out, let's go ahead and look up a Haskhell, or Haskhell, what's this called? Walkthrough. Let's go ahead and look up something like this. Okay, this guy's got a walkthrough. So what did you do? Well, code execution, he actually found the .sh folder. Well, maybe. He says writing limpeds, things like that. We did a sudo tac else. Let's see here. Let's see what you did here, big guy. Module main where import system process main command cp some file destination. Call command lstack-la. Ooh, he's doing something like that. That would be pretty sweet, huh? And he's actually lstack-la redirecting. Should not be redirected automatically. Redirecting. I followed the redirect, which led me to the uploads Viola. Wow, he actually did like command execution. So this is a really cool one, like right here. If you're looking for, because he's actually doing like lstack-la and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. So he would definitely be able to run a reverse shell. So how's he doing that actually? He's doing it with this, like right here. Just works where you make for other functions for the system process. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at, let's go ahead and do that sublime text again, right? And let's go ahead and make, actually let's make a whole new one. Whoops daisy. Let's go ahead and make a whole new one. We'll call this sublime text. We'll call this rev.hs. We'll try to make a new one here. Try. We shall try our best. We'll do a module. Trying to get a little bigger for you guys. Trying. Which did not do anything. Like font size, they did that. How to make font size bigger. Oh my. Line any selection, edit, text. Alright, well I'm putting in this thing right here. Module main where import system dot process main equals call command, and then it's copy some file, some destination. So we're going to do call command, we'll do an lstack-la. And we're going to see if this works. So let's go ahead and control S this guy. And he's called rev.sh, or hs. I keep saying .sh, okay. Let's go ahead and back up, browse rev.hs. Let's go ahead and see if we do get an lstack-la. We do. Wow. So we could definitely put a bash reverse shell into here, couldn't we? So we take this exact probably bash reverse shell, start up a listener down here, forward 9999, and we could probably throw this bash reverse shell into here now. And we probably could have got a reverse shell straight out the bat. But what we have, how did we get to, well then we could just do the SSH keys after that. Would we have been smart to do that though? That's the next question. What if I just click enter? Okay. We'll see if it was pulling for me or whatever else. Failed. Okay, so that one failed, like right there. Let's go ahead and see how this guy exactly did his reverse shell. It looked like he used bash. I copied a bash reverse shell one-liner, bash tac I, boom, boom. Yeah, same exact thing that we have. Set up a netcat listener and execute the command. So I decided to ensure that bash one-liner command was being executed in bash context by adding a bash tac C. Okay, so he's doing a bash tac C. Okay, so that's probably what the problem was, like right there. So we'll do a bash tac C. So we're going to do this now. We're going to type bash tac C. That guy. Come all the way down over here. Another apostrophe, like right there. Control SSSSS. Alright, and we'll go ahead and throw this into there, and we'll try this again. And this should be it. It is. Look at that, huh? Who am I? And I'm Flask. Okay, so let's go ahead and cd into /home, I guess. And then from here we have to try to figure out all your stuff, huh? cd into professor, which I probably would have went straight there. We didn't really check out anybody else, did we? Like Haskhell? We know that he doesn't have any .sh stuff though also, so we see in .sh, we know that he doesn't because I think that was the first one that we tried, wasn't it? Alright, cool. So yeah, we could also do a reverse shell. So that is Haskhell, which this one was pretty cool. I liked it a lot, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. If you guys want to see any, as usual, just let me know. I'll stick around for a minute if you guys got any questions. Don't ask me how to program Haskhell. I have no idea. But that should be about it. Alright, not too long of a video, not too bad. Yeah, you guys have a good one.